Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, pull the hood release handle, and open the hood. You should now be able to see where the spark plugs are located. We recommend changing the spark plugs one by one. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, remove the holding screw from the coil. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, press on the plastic tab in a way that frees the nut that stops the terminal from coming out. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small back and forward movements. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 14mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should be able to hear a little click when it slots into place. You can then screw the nut that holds the coil back in with a socket wrench. Reconnect the ignition coil. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.